Hello students, welcome to my accountancy class, class 11, and we are going to learn chapter number 6 of T.S. Deval. That is the most important chapter is here, accounting procedures. Accounting procedure, rules of debit and credit. Why we are using the word procedure here? Because accounting involves some steps. First, to know the rules and regulations on the basis of which accounts are maintained, that's the rule of debit and credit, etc. And after that, preparing the books of accounts, journal, purchase book, sales book, journal proper, and on the basis of these primary books, secondary books are prepared, that is the account, ledgers, and then final accounts. So that's why a number of steps are there, series of steps are there on the basis of which accounts are prepared and maintained. That's why we have used here procedure, accounting procedure. In this accounting procedure, first of all, you are going to learn the rules of debit and credit. Now students, in this class today, we are going to discuss on this topic that what is an account. What is an account? In the previous videos, you have been also taught in chapter number 2, basic accounting terms, the meaning of account. Today in explanation, we are going to tell you the meaning of account. Account is a particular place where all the related transactions are recorded under a particular head. That is called account. Here we can say under a particular head, all the related transactions are recorded, related transactions, and in which we record amount and the effect and direction of the transactions. What is particular head? I will tell you after 2 minutes. First we discuss this. This is the format of account. Format of account. First, see here that it is also known as T-shaped account, where one format is divided into two equal halves. Left hand side, first half, right hand side, second half. And this is divided by a darker line, bold line. These are two halves are separated by a bold line, as you can see here. And left hand side contains the 4 columns. In the same manner, right hand side contains the 4 columns. 4 column, first column of date. Here the date is mentioned on which the transactions takes place. Here the particulars. In the particular, the another account of the transaction is recorded. Journal folio. Journal folio is the number of the transaction where it was recorded in the primary books is mentioned. Next, amount of the transaction. In the same manner, date, particulars, journal folio, rupees amount. Now, we are going to discuss in more explanation. Under a particular head, my dear students, let's suppose there are a number of transactions, like first transaction purchased chair, second transaction purchased table, third transaction purchased sofa, and etc. These are the different transactions. Now, more examples of transaction: purchased car, purchased fan, purchased goods. I have given you some examples of the transactions. If you see the examples of related to furniture, that is chair, table, sofa set, etc. These are classified as furniture. That's why to these all the related transactions we are going to give a particular head. Head means name. That is called account. Here, on the basis of the transactions which I have taken as illustration, we can write here furniture account. If you are purchasing chair, then furniture will increase, not chair account, only furniture account. If you purchase sofa, furniture account. If you purchase table, dining set, whatever, furniture account. So under a particular head, all the related transactions, means related to furniture, whether you are purchasing sofa, you are selling sofa, or there is any reduction in the value of table, dining table, etc. So all the increase and decrease and all the related transactions are recorded at a particular, under a particular head at a particular place, is called account. Now the debit left hand side, LHS of any account is called debit. Left hand side of any account is called debit side. And always remember that the right hand side RHS is called credit. Whether this is furniture account, cash account, machinery account, car account, etc. Now another example I can give you, if someone is purchasing Maruti 800, then in the business you have purchased Alto, Maruti Suzuki, BMW, you are not going to open the separate accounts. A particular head shall be given, that is car account. So car account will be opened, where in the left hand side you will record the increase and right hand side you will record the decrease. But increase, decrease get changed, this rule get changed according to the rules of debit credit. But simply in this video you are to learn that what is account. Left hand side is called debit and right hand side is called credit. Date, particulars, journal folio, rupees, date, particular, journal folio, rupees. Here the page number of journal where the transaction was recorded first is mentioned. I hope that you have got the meaning of account and the debit and credit. Hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Have a nice day.